Welcome to PRISCI Educational Academy. Today we are going to study integral calculus. Let us see the basic integration formula. Here you can see integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Instead of n, you can give any number. For example, n is equal to 1. That means x power 1 will be x. So integral x dx is equal to, instead of n, here is 1. So x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x square by 2. Integral x square dx is equal to x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to x cube divided by 3. So therefore, the basic integration formula is integral x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Let us solve one problem. Integral 3x square minus 14x plus 5 into dx. 3x square minus 14x plus 5 into dx. So very simple integration. X square if you are integrating 3 into x square if you are integrating x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 3 into x cube divided by 3 minus 14 x if you are integrating x square by 2 plus 5 into dx. 5 into dx will become as 5x. So plus c, some constant. So 3x cube divided by 3 minus 14x square by 2 plus 5x plus c. So 3 cancelled. So x cube minus 14 by 2, 7x square plus 5x. So this is the answer. Very simple question. Here the Bernoulli's formula. So Bernoulli's formula is integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. This u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, these are differentiation. This v1, v2, v3, v4, etc. are called as integration. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times we have to integrate it. Let us solve one problem using the Bernoulli's formula. Evaluate integral x into e power 3x into dx. Why we are using the Bernoulli's formula? In the previous problem, x square will be there, 3x square. So directly we can integrate it. But here is Bernoulli's formula is integral uv dx. So if there are two terms, x is one term, e power 3x is another term. So that's why you have to consider as x, e power 3x you have to consider as v. So therefore, u is equal to x, v is equal to e power 3x. That's why we are going to use the Bernoulli's formula. Without using the Bernoulli's formula, how will we can we cannot solve this? Okay. So integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. The alternate sign, plus minus plus minus. So you have to consider as x. U is equal to x, v is equal to e power 3x. U dash, u double dash, these are differentiation. X if you are differentiating 1. 1 again if you are differentiating, it will become 0. V is equal to e power 3x. V1, one time you have to integrate. V1 is equal to e power 3x divided by 3. V2 is equal to e power 3x divided by 9, because already there is one 3. Integral e power ax into dx is equal to e power ax divided by a. So therefore e power 3x, if we are integrating, e power 3x divided by the coefficient of x will come in the denominator 3. So v2 is equal to e power 3x divided by 9. v3 is equal to e power 3x divided by 27. So u v1, using the formula u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3, using the arrow, I have put the arrow mark. So arrow mark you can select the values. So integral x into e power 3x dx is equal to u v1. U is x. v1 is e power 3x divided by 3 minus u dash is 1. v2 is e power 3x divided by 9 plus u double dash is 0. v3 e power 3x divided by 27. So therefore x into e power 3x divided by 3 minus e power 3x divided by 9. So this is the answer. Let us see another question. This is different. So evaluate integral dx divided by x square plus 5x plus 6. So here we know the formula. So using the formula we are integrating, but here is the complicated, it is a different. So that's why using the partial fraction we have to integrate it. Directly we cannot integrate. So that's why we are taking 1 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6, which is equal to, you have to factorize this 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3. The denominator factorized x plus 2 into x plus 3. Take this equation number 1. Now you have to use the partial fraction for 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to, these are different, x plus 2 into x plus 3, not a square. So a divided by x plus 2 plus b divided by x plus 3. So 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2 whole divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3. Either left hand side as well as right hand side, there is x plus 2 into x plus 3 cancelled. So numerator will be 1 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2. Take this equation number 2. Now you have to find the value of a and b. How to find the value of a and b? By taking x, because there is x plus 3. If you are taking x is equal to minus 3, a will vanish. You will get the value of b. Suppose if you are taking x equal to minus 2, b will vanish. So you can easily find the value of a. So that's why I am taking x equal to minus 3. Substitute in equation number 2. So 1 is equal to a into minus 3 plus 3 plus b into, instead of x you have to substitute minus 3. So minus 3 plus 2. So 1 is equal to minus b. So b is equal to minus 1. By taking x equal to minus 2 in equation number 2, 1 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. So b will vanish 0. A will be 1 into a is equal to 1. So therefore, instead of a and b, we have got the value a is 1, b is minus 1. Substitute. Okay. So therefore, 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 3. Why? Because why minus sign we have written? Because of b is equal to minus 1. So integral, both sides you have to take integral. So integral is integral dx divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to integral dx divided by x plus 2 minus integral dx divided by x plus 3. Both sides we are taking integration. So what is the integral dx divided by x plus 2? You know very well the formula dx divided by x. Integral dx divided by x is equal to log x. So you have to use this formula. integral dx divided by x plus 2 is equal to log x plus 2 minus integral dx divided by x plus 3 is log x plus 3. So log a minus log b, it looks like log a minus log b. So therefore, it is equal to log of a by b. Formula you have to use here. A is x plus 2, b is x plus 3. So answer is log of x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. One more problem let us see. Evaluate integral x square plus 4x into 2x minus 3 whole divided by x cube into dx. So here, the numerator you have to multiply divided by denominator. Numerator x square is the first term. In the second one, 2x is the first term. From the first one, x square plus 4x. Second one, 2x minus 3. So in these two, first term first you have to multiply x square into 2x. So 2x cube. X square into minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 4x into 2x, 8x square plus 4x into minus 3, minus 12x whole divided by x cube into dx. Now you have to divide x cube in each term. So each term you have to divide x cube. So integral 2x cube divided by x cube plus 5x square divided by x cube minus 12x divided by x cube into dx. Integral x cube 2x cube divided by x cube cancelled. So 2 plus 5x square divided by x square divided by x cube will become 1 by x. So 5 by x minus 12x divided by x cube. So minus 12 divided by x square into dx. The next step you can write as integral 2 into dx plus 5 into integral dx by x minus 12 into integral dx by x square. So each term you have to integrate separately. So integral 2 into dx plus integral 5 into dx by x minus 12 into integral x power minus 2 into dx. Because dx divided by x square, you can write as x power minus 2 into dx. What is x power n? Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here instead of n, here is x power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So 2 into dx. 2 integral dx will be x plus 5 integral dx divided by x log x minus 12 x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Just now I explained. So 2x plus 5 log x minus 12 x power minus 1 divided by minus 1. This can be written as minus minus plus. So 12 x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. So final answer is 2x plus 5 log x plus 12 by x. This is the answer. Next question is very easy. Evaluate integral dx divided by x square plus 25. You can use the formula if you know. Formula is integral dx divided by x square plus a square is equal to 1 divided by a tan inverse of x divided by a. So compare with the given problem, integral dx divided by x square plus 25 can be written as integral dx divided by x square plus 5 square. So compare with the formula. Here is a square. In the given problem, there is 5 square. So a is equal to 5. So instead of this formula, instead of a, you have to apply 5. So integral dx divided by x square plus 5 square is equal to 1 divided by 5 tan inverse of x divided by 5. Okay. So next, evaluate integral dx divided by x square minus 7. So formula is integral dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 divided by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Here, the given problem, there is a 7, but a square should be there. So how will you make the given problem to fit in the formula. So 7 can be written as root 7 whole square. That's why I have written here integral dx divided by x square minus root 7 whole square. Root 7 whole square will become 7. Compare with the formula, a is equal to root 7. So substitute in the formula for a is equal to root 7. You will get the answer. So integral dx divided by x square minus root 7 whole square, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into root 7 log of x minus root 7 divided by x plus root 7. One more question let us see. Evaluate integral dx divided by 16 minus x square. The formula is entirely different. Integral dx divided by a square minus x square. A square is the given problem 4 square, because the given problem is integral dx divided by 4 square, that is 16. 4 square minus x square. If you compare with the formula integral dx divided by a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x whole divided by a minus x. So for a in the given problem, there is 4, because 16 is given. 16 can be written as 4 square. So a is equal to 4. Substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. So integral dx divided by 4 square minus x square, which is equal to 1 divided by 2a. So for a, 4, log of 4 plus x divided by 4 minus x, which is equal to 1 by 8 log of 4 plus x, 4 divided by 4 minus x. So final answer is integral dx divided by 4 square minus x square is equal to 1 by 8 log of 4 plus x divided by 4 minus